Okay, guys, we are in Virginia. We're in Virginia and we're fishing this bayish area. It's like an inlet, as you can see. There we go. We were fishing for like pretty much anything. We have some squid, some cut up squid that we're using, and yeah, Barnes had like a solid flounder on, so I'm tossing this right here. It's like a gulp thing with a jig head. I'm gonna cast this out for the flounder, but Owen and Barnes are both trying to catch like rock bass, possible flounder, and there's some pigfish and other species here, so they're just trying for anything pretty much. Owen's got one. This one is a black sea bass.
Black sea bass.
Nice. This is a black sea bass. There we go. Quick release on that guy. Believe it or not, that's like our, I don't even know, like 12th black sea bass of the day so far. We've been catching a lot of those. Got one. Oh no, my gosh, dude, I had one on. Yeah. Dad, I don't know what I had on. I might have had a flounder on. I had a fish on. Owen's got another one. Owen's got one on, guys. Let's see what this one is. It looks kind of small. It's another black sea bass. Another one. That one's a smaller one. I think the keeping size for Virginia is 12 inches, 12 and a half inches. So this guy definitely doesn't make the cut, but we've been catching some, we caught like a 9-incher, so we'll see if we can try and catch on this. There's a big flounder somewhere in here. That has to chomp this. Owen's got one on, guys. Oh, that's a new species for today. That looks like a mini pigfish. That looks like
that's what your dad caught earlier.
That looks like a small pigfish. I'm pretty sure that's a small pigfish. It almost looks like a pinfish, but you can see it's different because it doesn't have the Owen's got one, boys. Another one. Another black sea bass. That's like 20th of the day. We have another black sea bass. This is probably the 20th one we've caught today. We're all catching them on squid. Oh, that was a quick release. But we're mostly catching them on squid. Owen's got a black sea bass. Took a little bit for the bite to turn on, but it's back on a little bit. Got a little guy. So guys, we just have this little box with like shrimps. I mean, not shrimps, they're squids. Squid pieces, so I'm just gonna take a piece of shrimp. Squid, alright. I'm just gonna do a couple more casts with the shrimp. With the squid, I mean. I keep calling it shrimp. Anyways, squid. Oh. I had bites immediately.
Really?
And I hooked it on 3 times and it came off. Alright, as soon as I got it out there, I started getting bit, so. Got one. You guys see that? I got him all. Doesn't seem like a big one. He's not fighting very hard. Unless he's running towards me, but... Oh, got a black sea bass. This is a black sea bass right here. I'll let him keep the, I'll let him keep my squid. Oh, he gets a meal to go. And then I'm just gonna keep doing a little more casts until I use up all the squid. I'm gonna get a giant piece of squid for this cast. We're gonna end it on a good note with a big fish. Alright guys, I gotta get down from the pillar. Oh my gosh.